how to log in to your BT account. Now, before moving on with that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Now let's start. First, open up your browser and then search for bt.com. Or other than that, what you can do is you can just go to your browser and search for BT login and then just visit the first site that comes up. Now what you need to do is you need to hover up right here. Under My BT, you will see a login option. Click on the login option and then it will redirect you to the login page. Now here you'll need to type in your email ID or username. Just type in your email ID and then click on next. After you do that, you'll have to type in your password. Just type in your password, and if you have forgotten your login details, click on this button right here. And if you don't have an account at all, just click on create account. But if you already have those and if you remember your login credentials, just type those here and then click on next. And after you do so, you'll be able to log into your BT account. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and stay tuned. Bye bye.